Block is just there, and hopefully we'll be able to go and show you around that, maybe tomorrow.
This is the motorway service point.
Yeah, motorway service point. A motorway?
Motorhome service.
Motorhome service point. I had to think then what he was saying.
I caught you out there.
You did.
Morning everyone.
Morning folks.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah, we're on another trip.
Yeah, we're going away again for a long weekend, aren't we?
I say again, the last time was
February,
about a month ago, wasn't it?
We're going to Bolton Abbey Estate Campsite.
Yes.
And it's on a caravan and motorhome club site.
Yeah.
And from the site there is a walk up to Bolton Abbey, so we're keeping our fingers crossed
that it's not submerged in water.
Yes. I've got my wellies. Well, I hope I've got my wellies. Did you put them in? Yes, I did put them in yesterday. Right. Yeah, they're in the shower.
They're in the shower.
Yeah. So we're going to get off now, and we'll see you on the journey, and then when we get there.
Okay.
So bye for now.
Bye for now.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be
Right, well, we've settled in and we've come out of the campsite, and there's this walk, and it's a gravelly walk, so that's good because it's a bit wet, through to the river. You just see it through the trees down there.
And the river meanders down past the Abbey.
Yes, we're going towards Bolton Abbey. So we're walking through the woods at the minute. The campsite is just back over there.
There's a ruin up there.
Yes, Barden Tower, isn't it? We might go and have a look at that tomorrow as well. I mean, I don't think we're going to get as far as Bolton Abbey today.
I think it's around about 2.5 to 3 miles.
Yeah, because it's very cold actually, and very, very windy.
Yeah, but the forecast for tomorrow is better.
Yes, it's a better forecast tomorrow, so it's to come to Bolton Abbey along here tomorrow. There's Archie, look, he's having a little stroll, aren't you, Arch?
He's showing us where to go.
Yeah, and there had been a lovely coffee shop right as you come out of the campsite, and unfortunately it's closed.
Closed, and it looks like they're refurbishing it.
Yes, and it's up
but
for
it's
sale.
up for sale.
So if anybody wants to buy a coffee shop, it's beautiful because it's all in that stone. You know, is it the Yorkshire stone? It looked lovely. Yeah, so that's a shame, but never mind. Oh, Tony, can you just wait for me?
It's a bit steep.
Might
This
fall
bit's a
down the
bit
hill,
steep.
you know, some lights.
Wow, it's up dale and down dale, isn't
Yeah.
it?
But it's all on gravel paths.
Yeah.
She assured me, because she
There's
said,
no mud.
oh, behind the campsite there is a dog walk, but please can you not go on the dog walk because it's all boggy.
It's all sludge.
Yeah, so it wouldn't be any good for walking. So we've had to come out with Archie along here to give him a little stroll. Hey Arch. So we thought we'd go so far, just have a look what's down here and take you with us. And then on the way back we'll show you the campsite. And Tony's not very well, are you?
No, I'm full of cold.
Full
I've
of
got
cold.
man flu.
Got man flu, it's
Yeah.
very mardy,
Severe
everybody.
man flu.
Gosh.
See how wet this area of the country is? Because look at that. All moss growing on everything. Walls, trees,
Yeah.
just green moss.
Too much rain makes too much moss. And don't we know it at home, Tony?
Well, it's not as bad as this. There's a little bench here.
Yes, that looks nice for sitting on.
There's a view of the river. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I wonder where.
We can go and have a look down there.
There's a path to the left that goes down here, and a path to the right goes up here. Which path shall we go on, Arch?
That doesn't look so high though, that path, does it? It's just a slight slope.
I wonder where this one goes.
You set off and have a look.
Oh, right.
And when you get to the corner, tell me where it is. Saved my legs, won't it? Whew. It's lovely and peaceful, just sat here.
Just take our audience with
Oh,
us.
go on then.
It's quite an interesting path, this. Looks like it goes down to the river. It's very bobbly. Oh, very steep. Goodness. It's a lot easier coming down the path, but you've got to go back up there. It's a beautiful location for a picnic. Wow, that is pretty spectacular, isn't it? Just look at that. Alright, better go back to Julie. I bet she's wondering where, mind you, if I go up this path, I may be able to backtrack instead of going up the steep bobbly bits. It is, I'm going backwards now. Did you think I'd got lost? Yeah, wow. It comes all the way round.
I'm not going down there, it looks a little bit iffy.
Yes, it's very iffy.
Dragging his feet, because
way because he saw you go that
Oh.
way.
You wanted to follow me, Arch,
Yes.
did you? Yeah, you have the camera.
Whew.
Oh, yeah.
No, I thought, oh, where's he gone? I thought, have you fell in the water? You were a long time.
Well, it is a long way.
And I thought, oh dear, what do? I sit on this bench. I could be sitting here all afternoon and night.
Yeah.
What if you don't come back?
So I thought I'd better head this way. I just assumed that this path would lead back to you.
Right. Looks nice down there, doesn't it?
Not terrible by the river. It'd be nice in the summer.
Oh, you could sit in here, look.
Look at the view from here.
Yeah, and out of the bad weather if it was not very nice.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's a nice view, isn't it?
Strid at Bolton Abbey is a natural wonder located in North Yorkshire. It's formed by the River Wharfe being forced through a narrow chasm, creating a powerful and treacherous stretch of water. Despite its picturesque appearance, the Strid is notoriously dangerous due to its deceptive depth and strong currents. Over the centuries, the Strid has been the site of numerous accidents and tragedies, earning it a reputation of one of England's most deadly natural features. Its history is intertwined with local folklore and legend, adding to its mystique and allure. One notable fatality at the Strid occurred in 1998 when a young man named Ben Campbell tragically lost his life while trying to jump across the narrow chasm. Despite warnings about the dangers of the Strid, he attempted the leap and was swept away by the powerful currents. Cumberland Trail, Blue Trail, Orange Trail, Purple Trail and the Red Trail.
Now the Cavendish Pavilion sounds alright because it's got a calf. That looks like an Easter egg, doesn't it? And there's things here, look, covered up. There's the Easter Bunny, everybody.
Ah, yeah.
And what's this on here? I don't know. Anybody know what this is? Would you like to inform us?
Probably all the Easter eggs are going to be planted.
Maybe. There's like a chair here, look. A posh chair. Can't really see, it's all wrapped up. Let's have a little peek down here. Don't know. Another animal.
Like camouflaged, all in red.
Yes, all in red. Right, we're back on the campsite now. I'll film from the site tomorrow. It's just that it's very uphill and I couldn't get my breath. So I couldn't really talk and film at the same time. The site isn't huge, is it?
No,
it's just
but
nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's biggish.
Yeah, but I mean it's just
facility block, which is
yeah,
ample, I think.
in the centre.
Yeah.
You can go down here. Oh no, not down there. I should fall off the edge. It's not down there, is it? It's a bit further up. I'll show you in a moment. The facilities block is just there, and hopefully we'll be able to go and show you around that, maybe tomorrow.
This is the
And then
motorway service point.
Yeah, motorway service point. A motorway?
Motorhome service.
Motorhome service point. I had to think then what he was
Yeah,
saying.
caught you out there.
You did. So that's quite good. It's a ride over one. Drinking water, wastewater. And then that, obviously, that's the facilities block. Yes, you go down to the right
So
here.
there's a few pictures.
Yes, there's
down
blue and white pictures.
What are the white ones?
The white ones are with awning, the blue
Oh, I
ones
see.
are without
Without
awning.
awnings.
There's no fully serviced pictures here, so quite nice down there if you wanted a white pitch. I think that's the only point, isn't it, for getting water?
Yes,
I can't see.
No, there's
Is there another one?
Yeah.
Oh yes, there's one over that
Just
side.
round the corner.
Yeah. Hang on a minute, where are we? Yeah, so as we go around the corner, a few pictures empty, isn't there? It's filled up though since we got here. There's like a little avenue here. Come round. We're just there.
Just there, yeah.
There's
Lots
some
of trees around.
Yes, there's some steps just there which lead to the dog walk, but we can't show you that because it's too boggy. Yeah, they've told us not to go on it. And there's another filling up point there, emptying point. And then as you carry on going round, that takes you back up to the reception. It's basically a circle.
Yeah.
With a couple of little offshoots. It's all in the woods. I bet in the summer, I bet the trees look lovely. I'm worn out now. We've got to walk further than that tomorrow. Come on,
Arch.
Archie.
Got to wipe
His feet. So I'll say goodbye for now because I'll never wipe his feet with the camera on. See you in a bit.